everybody, this is Damien from RSU1 Tech TV, and today I want to show you how to download your Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides files as different file types. So this would include PDF, Word, PowerPoint, Excel, and more. So to get started, you're going to need to open up your Docs, Sheets, or Slides file. Then go to the File menu at the top and choose the Download option here. You'll see a whole list of different options, obviously Word and PDF being the most popular, most likely. Next, we take a look at Google Slides, and that will actually be pretty much the same thing. You go File, Download, and then you get your list of options. Here you'll see PowerPoint, PDF, and then you can also save each individual slide as a JPEG image or a PNG image, which is great if you're trying to just post in a website, into a Google Doc, or if you just want to email a picture of one slide to somebody. Lastly, we'll take a look at Google Sheets, which is also done through the File Download menu, and you'll see Excel and PDF as your common options, and then also comma separated and tab separated, which are great for if you're trying to take your information and save it to these compact data files that you can be uploaded to different sources. So that's really all there is to saving your stuff in different formats from the Google suite of apps. I know that at some point you're probably going to use this and you'll be thankful that you watched this video. Once again, I'm Damian Austin with RSU1 Tech TV, and I thank you for watching.